Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're back on dollar yen as we're looking to identify these trend continuation moves. Now, you know that we are looking for dollar yen to move to the upside. We've been talking about this for some time now. We've actually been looking for longs all the way back down towards the 128 handle, which is all the way through here. And ever since we really traded outside of this bearish channel, we've been looking for price to head all the way back up to the 150s. So if that's the case, I want to be looking at opportunities to jump on this trend as we're expecting price to come and retest those highs. Now, we've broken through some key areas of structure lately. So if I go to the daily time frame, this is where I'm getting all my information from really, because you can see that we broke out of structure here. We then formed our higher low. We then impulsed to the upside. And the last time we talked about dollar yen was this area in here. And what we were discussing was the 134.50 resistance. Would it hold? And if it did hold, we'd look for a pullback into these previous highs before looking for a continuation. Or alternatively, if the dollar strength was going to continue and the yen was going to weaken, we'd actually expect a breakout of this level, a retest and a continuation. And that seems to be the plan that's playing out at the moment. Friday's close was quite an aggressive bullish candlestick. You can see that in here. We are technically trading below the 200 moving average, so we do have to say that we are still sort of below that resistance. However, looking at today's price action, you can see that buyers are stepping back into the market. So we've kind of jumped down around about 50% of the Friday's close. We've also retested previous structure highs. If I actually go down into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has come into the previous structure highs here and we've rebounded. You can see the sort of buying that's come into the market at the moment. So when price does that on a 4-hour time frame, that signals to me that price could potentially trade higher. So I want to be looking for patterns to form on lower time frames now. So if I was to go to, say, the hourly time frame, I'll be looking for one or two patterns to form. I'll be looking for the double bottom pattern, okay, where you get the equal lows, or I'll be looking for the head and shoulders pattern, okay, or I'd be looking for the higher low pattern. Now you can see here, this could be the start of one or two patterns, because if you took this as the left shoulder in here, this as the head, and you drew a line from the left shoulder, then technically we could be forming a right shoulder here. So this could be a good opportunity to start seeing price trade to the upside. Alternatively, what you could wait for is price to come a lot lower, come back into this demand zone here and look for your double bottom pattern. Now if I just jump into a 15-minute time frame, usually what you would see if the 4-hour was going to impulse is price making higher highs and higher lows. And again, you kind of see price has traded through this high in here. We've pulled back to an area of support, and now we're starting to see price move higher again. So this area that we're in at the moment is a strong one for possibilities of seeing price continue to the upside. Now, if you're a trend-based trader, you may want to be, and you're not sort of as aggressive as other traders, you may want to look for longs above this daily candle high, as it's a safer entry to go with the momentum of the market rather than trading it on the pullback. So something to consider here for dollar yen. I like targeting the 139. If we break 139, we can target 142. Ultimately, I think we're coming all the way back up to the 150s. So that's where I'm expecting dollar yen to come in the near future, and that's what I'll be looking to target. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.